Quito, a World Heritage Site nestled in the heart of the Andes. The most beautiful colonial city in South America has a hidden, unexpected side. Travel to the forests, to the capital's northwest, and enter a sanctuary, Mashpi Lodge. A 1,300-hectare private reserve for just 44 guests, where you can almost feel nature's life-giving breath. A world still revealing its secrets to science, still mysterious, still magical. Our expert guides will take you on a journey of discovery into this biodiverse universe, home to innumerable creatures, great and small. By day, along forest paths, by rushing rivers, and through the trees. At night, the sets change like at the theatre, and wonderful surprises await. Most amazing of all is the dragonfly. Where you glide through and above the forest on an innovative cable ride for over a mile. A unique way to appreciate the world anew. As a guest, you are part of our passionate concern for this endangered environment, funding our scientific research projects and part of giving local people positive opportunities. The lodge is like a cocoon amid the clouds and forest, where enriching experiences blend seamlessly with award-winning, exceptional service. It's the welcoming space you return to after your explorations, to indulge, reconnect, relax. Mashpi, a proud member of National Geographic Unique Lodges of the World, luxuriously revealing the true essence of nature.